Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by clicking on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that with tricky navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now tap on the icon of your app at the top left corner and select split screen. Lastly, click on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!